Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Sanitize a 30 ml amber dropper bottle and a glass mixing bowl before you start, washing hands and wiping surfaces with alcohol. Gather 1 tablespoon jojoba oil and 1 tablespoon rosehip oil as carrier oils, plus 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil or 1000 IU capsule for antioxidant boost. Optionally include 5 drops of lavender essential oil for scent and skin-soothing properties. Use measured tools: a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, a small funnel, and a dropper to keep the mixture sterile and precise. Combine the 2 carrier oils in the bowl, stirring for 30 seconds to fully blend textures and warm slightly to room temperature. Mix in 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil and stir gently for 20 to 30 seconds so it disperses evenly. This yields about a 3% vitamin E concentration by volume. If using essential oil, add 5 drops total for a 30 ml bottle, which equals roughly 0.5% dilution and is safe for most skin types. Transfer with a funnel into the store the serum in a cool, dark place and use within 6 months to 1 year depending on oil freshness and vitamin E stability. Apply 2 to 3 drops to clean skin at night, massaging gently over face and neck. A little goes a long way and avoids pore clogging. Patch test on the inner forearm for 24 hours before full facial use to detect sensitivity or allergic reaction. If irritation occurs, stop use. Consult a clinician for persistent dermatitis or if pregnant or nursing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.